In this short tutorial, I will show you how to stop receiving emails from Reddit. If you are getting too many emails from Reddit and want to reduce the number or even stop them altogether, there are a few simple steps you can follow. To get started, open up the Reddit app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. After that, under the Account Settings section, tap on your username. And then tap Manage Emails. Now you'll see a list of all the different types of email options that Reddit sends you. If you want to stop receiving one specific type of email, you can toggle off the switch next to it. For example, I can toggle off the switch next to private messages, and now Reddit won't send me an email whenever someone sends me a private message. If you want to, you can stop all Reddit emails by toggling on the switch next to unsubscribe from all emails option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.